Welcome to Stewart, British Columbia, a hidden gem and gateway to opportunity, located just 5 minutes from the Alaskan border. This charming town is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and abundant resource potential. Nestled in the heart of the Golden Triangle, Stewart is part of one of the most prolific mining regions in the world. As we explore this vibrant community, you'll discover the unique blend of industry and nature that makes Stewart a remarkable place to live and work. At the center of this growing community is the King Edward Hotel, a full-service establishment with 50 rooms that is now available for acquisition. But this is more than just a hotel, it represents a multifaceted business with diverse revenue streams and strong local roots. The King Edward Hotel is poised for tremendous growth, making it an exciting opportunity for potential investors. With its rich history and community ties, this hotel is a cornerstone of Stewart's hospitality scene. The property boasts a variety of dining and entertainment options, including a 132-seat dining lounge, a 70-seat cafe, and a 90-seat bar, along with a 37-seat bar patio. These spaces are designed to welcome locals, travelers, and workers alike, creating a vibrant atmosphere for socializing and relaxation. Additionally, there's a 58-seat pub and a separate beer and wine store. This diverse offering ensures that there's something for everyone, making the King Edward Hotel a hub of activity in Stewart. In addition to its dining options, the King Edward Hotel provides essential services that enhance the guest experience. With guest laundry, public laundry facilities, and ATM services, this hotel truly operates as a full-service establishment. These amenities not only cater to the needs of guests but also contribute to the overall convenience and appeal of the hotel. By offering these services, the King Edward Hotel stands out as a comprehensive destination for both business and leisure travelers. As Ascot Gold prepares to begin full production, Stewart is on the brink of significant population and workforce growth. Projections indicate that the area's population could potentially double, leading to an immediate demand for accommodation, food services, and social hubs. This growth presents a unique opportunity for the King Edward Hotel to capitalize on the influx of new residents and visitors. With the right strategies in place, this hotel can become a key player in meeting the needs of a rapidly expanding community. Stewart is not only a hub for tourism and hospitality but also a strategic location for logistics and industry. The town is home to 2 deep-sea shipping ports, Stewart World Port and Stewart Bulk Terminals. These facilities enhance Stewart's appeal as a logistics center, attracting businesses and industries that rely on efficient transportation. The King Edward Hotel is ideally situated to serve the needs of these businesses, providing accommodation and services for workers and visitors alike. Stewart is a 4-season tourist destination, offering a wide range of activities for visitors throughout the year. In the summer, tourists flock to the area for bear and glacier viewing, while winter transforms Stewart into a playground for sledders and heli skiers. The King Edward Hotel is perfectly positioned to capture both business and leisure travelers year-round, making it an attractive investment opportunity. By catering to the diverse needs of tourists, the hotel can maximize its revenue potential. Investing in the King Edward Hotel is more than just acquiring a property, it's about seizing an opportunity in a growing town with a bright future. This hotel offers stable income today while presenting real growth potential for tomorrow. With the anticipated population increase and the ongoing development in the area, the King Edward Hotel is well positioned to thrive in the coming years. This investment represents a chance to be part of Stewart's exciting journey. The King Edward Hotel is deeply rooted in the local community, making it a beloved establishment among residents and visitors alike. By fostering strong relationships with local businesses and organizations, the hotel can enhance its reputation and attract more guests. Community engagement is key to the hotel's success, as it creates a sense of belonging and loyalty among patrons. This connection to the community is what sets the King Edward Hotel apart from other establishments. In conclusion, the King Edward Hotel is not just a business, it's a cornerstone of a growing community in one of British Columbia's most dynamic and scenic regions. With its diverse offerings, strategic location, and strong local ties, this hotel presents a unique investment opportunity. As Stewart continues to grow and evolve, the King Edward Hotel is poised to play a vital role in shaping the future of this remarkable town. Join us in embracing the potential that Stewart has to offer,